Hello, welcome to BackToCoding. In today's practical, we'll see how to change the keyboard type. This part is in continuation of the previous part, so go ahead and watch it first and then come back to this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so that whenever I publish a video, you get notified instantly about it. Every text field expects a certain type of text input, such as an email address, phone number, password, or just plain text. It's important to specify the input type for each text field in your app so that the system displays the appropriate soft input method, such as the standard on-screen keyboard for plain text, the keyboard for an email address which includes the @ symbol in a prominent location, the phone keypad for a phone number. First, we'll see how to use an email keyboard. In the edit text element in the activity main.xml, change the input type attribute to the following. Change the hint attribute to enter an email address. Make the changes to the string resource file for the Android hint value to enter email. Run the app. Tapping the field brings up the on-screen email keyboard with the @ symbol located next to the space key. Now we'll see how to use a phone keypad. In the edit text element, change the Android input type attribute to the following. Change the Android hint attribute to enter a phone number. And make changes to the string resources for the hint value to enter phone. Run the app. Tapping the field now brings up the on-screen phone keypad in place of the standard keyboard. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you.